Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI in Photoshop. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. What you want to do is open up Photoshop and input the image you want the AI to be used on. So, for example, I have this image and I want to expand this side of the image. So I will press C to enable crop and then do it this way. From there, what you want to do is go to the selection tool here and select the entire image. Now go a little bit on the image so that the AI fill is much better. Click on the generative fill and click on generate. If you want, you can give it some prompts, but if you don't give it any prompts, it's just going to use what you have on the image and generate something like that. And then you just need to wait a few moments for it to complete. And as you can see, it's completed. Under properties, you can see some different styles it generated. But as you can see, it's a perfect match. Now you can do this as many times as you want. I mean, the steps are the same. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below. Big mountain.